close. GQ.
I have not had enough sleep. Let me tell you that. I didn't get to eat at midnight. I wandered around.
Thank you, Cole.
Activity of a material as well. And just to kind of show you this more meters and all those little like spaces there. And so the porosity.
So if you were to take 3 different types of E-tapes and go out to a site,
Over a year, or we do our water levels in the fall.
phone number, their address may be different than what the well is, but we need to send them a letter or something that have their address, so we record that. And then obviously, well, and measure from my MP to the bottom of.
Lesson that'll be brought up again tomorrow during the lecture, but never trust a driller.
Yes, exactly.
Always verify what a driller. Yeah, I don't think there's any danger, but.
It's the center of the
5 feet above the
Boise office. But yeah, for that kind of stuff, you can just write whatever you want. You can make up a name if you want.
I'm going to turn this on, just so y'all can see it. And right now it's in PSI. So you could change the units if you wanted to, but it's already PSI, I'm gonna leave it.
Very
Below this
imprecise.
datum right here.
Okay.
So, and that's a foot higher, and I think it's the way that
That's
the
a hard one.
SG mesh program
it's a
handles
really-
it.
I feel like
I can feel it, and then I can lose it,
thinks
and I
about
feel
it
like
as
I
far
can
as
feel
it.
the
Yeah, so, I
measurements.
mean,
And so, and running station levels is during the PEG test, because we have them. In the truck, in the vehicle and transporting, you want to make sure to have it strapped in, not move. Here, I'll try. The knobs are the.
Bill Austin Powers car. Beep beep. I still kind of want to get stuck in a hallway. When you come back after a transducer deployment, because this cable is kind of relaxed.
Okay, so we don't need to worry about, like, we don't need to straighten it or anything. It'll do that itself.
So on a normal site visit, we record the temperature because we are working off. Optical is off by quite a bit, really. So what we're gonna do here is.
okay. So, what we're looking at here, this is just the dashboard. It's giving us live updates of the sensor. We have temperature, so 20 miles.
So yeah, they would have grown up in the 50s.
Yeah, I mean,
Black and white television was
so
about as advanced as that.
yeah. So there.
Like the people aren't any safer than these Waymos. Oh, that Waymo ran a red line that went past the school bus.
You gotta look right through it.
Go down a block?
For various slubs and well environments. We actually have a rope, and I'll take it around with me when I go out in the field. And
Do you normally just try and keep the rope to the well and not try and like...
signal to noise ratio.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I guess I would say on the smaller side, in like a really low kind of.
When it goes over that stuff, I have that linked in my. I should have that information.
Different formations have different hydraulic conductivities. This test could be analyzed to calculate hydraulic conductivity and compare then to, there's that kind of
You
little.
can make this for a lot cheaper from Lowe's. You can see it's just PVC fittings, some valves, grommets, rubber grommets and seals. You know what? Just thought it'd be good to unloosen the PSI range. I guess we didn't talk about PSI range yet, did we? So, you know, it's a little different selection of PSI ranges for transducers for these kinds of tests. We're only displacing, in this case, up to 5. and then as we release it, some of the warmer water is coming back in. But that's just a guess.
You've been sent to this well to go get some water levels. So, that being said, why does somebody... Exactly.
I can't believe how much my attitude on that has changed since the DRP. My station descriptions were like really vague, and now it's like I got.
Do me a favor, turn the sensitivity all the way up.
Down here at the bottom, there's a short little, or in the middle, there's a short little zone that's mostly free fluid. Then as you get further down to the bottom, all of a sudden, you see a section at the very bottom. It's all blue. That's all free fluid. There's no bound fluid.
But they're not connected to anything, so I can't tell you what it's manually doing.
Yeah, I remember I was talking to a water district and I was like, it's CFS. It's like, how many gallons? Good question. I was like, it's a good question.
And both slugs, minutes to recovery was about 2. I'm not totally sure what this spike or land surface, and this says MP here, so either way, this
West. And then,
Just about across the heart. MP from LAD. LSD?
I like that you have a cross-sectional view here of the well too.
Is it in marker?
What's that?
Is it in marker?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah, in marker.
There you go.
He's eating the green leaf.
This is some t-shirts over there.
Oh, the t-shirt that you're gonna buy.
Oh, it's nice up here.
It is.
That's really cool the way they've got the fountains coming up really well.
I agree. Bill, don't tell me.